DJ. Apho DJ what makunje eSouth Africa.
I think into singama-South Africans ekumele si-understand ukuthi we have failed each other. We have failed to support each other. We have failed to encourage each other. Ngizoyenza nje example encane. As a TikToker, I'll make myself as an example. There's content that I'm doing, and the content yami, it's about making people aware of what's happening in South Africa. And I always say, Guti Bafetu, please subscribe. I always say, Guti, if you want to make some sort of contribution, go to my bio, kona light, kona buy me coffee, please support. And abantu, they don't see the importance of that. Now, kusasa kuzofika i-company, let's say kuzofika iDaily Sun. iDaily Sun besithi phwami sayithanda i-content yakho. And to make sure ukuthi you live from the content oyenzayo, bamba nayi 10K qina. Thina sizokunikeza i-content ozoyiphusha. And then, given i-poverty yase-South Africa and the unemployment rate yala e-South Africa, I will accept the 10K. Kusasa kuphuma indaba zokuthi hey uMkhwanazi, uKatiso, abokhethi, abocele, bonke labo, they are involved into certain things, bafuna ukwenza izinto ezithize. When I record that video, then I get a call from iDaily Sun. Ethi hey, ungayiposti nokuyiposta. Asifuni ukuyingena leyo. Remember ukuthi we are now the people aba reliable for izinto ozipostayo. So don't post about it changathi awuyiboni. Now because of their funding me as a content creator, ngizoyiyeka ngingayiposti. Now that's where the importance of supporting each other comes into play. You take a platform efana ne-podcasting chill. It is funded by YouTube. It is funded by Amachilas. It is funded by the people watching Ama ads. And then they also have I think it's a Chilas Fund Me account or whatever. But Umek Gino Sol can speak about anything abafisa ukukhuluma ngayo because of people support directly podcasting chill. If there's a company ofuna ukuza, take for an example in DSTV. DSTV came and said, Bafetu, this is the money that we have. Sifuna ukuthatha what you're doing here, siyifake on our DSTV channel, multi-choice. And then they accepted. Mabafika ngale bazama ukubashintsha. But they couldn't change ububona because of they know ukuthi la suka khona we have the money these people are giving us. We have the views that these people are basically bragging to us. So rather than just phume kubo siqhubeke ngento esiyenzayo because of abantu bakhona they support us. Now ama-celebrity uPrwama abuza ngawo. If we were buying music wabo direct, if we made sure ukuthi there's no celebrity a signer to a certain record deal, meaning a celebrity when they are still independent and say Bafetu ngicela ningisupporteni, asiyithuki, but we support directly. By the time it figure a music or a production company below celebrity leyo iti tina we are distributing what and we would give you 1 2 3 4. I-celebrity makuvela into eziso makumele azikhuluma ngeke asabe ukuzikhuluma because of uyazi ukuthi most of my support it comes from the people, not from the record company. But if a record company is funding 90% or 80% of impilo yakho, when you start speaking about into ezifana nalezi zenzakalayo of corruption, drugs, and corrupt law enforcement, you start speaking proud of Mkhwanazi. Production gives you a call and say, Baba, don't forget where your bread is buttered. Lezi zinto ozikhulumayo zizo de-attractor ama-investors. So sicela ucime yonke lento leyo uma ufuna mina nawe sizwane. Do you think a celebrity will say, hey abantu, the same people that are failing to support you when you are independent, do you think uzothi abantu bangifuna? No. You will say, ay Bafetu ngiyaxolisa ngizosusa, and uzosusa because of these people pay you. Now in short, into engishoyo ukuthi let's learn to support each other. Once we support each other, then umuntu can stay independent and umuntu can stand tall and fight causes that are affecting the public. Ngoba njengoba sithi thina we won't attend ama-event wabo ngoba bona abasiboni la. Guess what? Isoni can pull out someone from the States. Isoni can call Lil Wayne and say, Lil Wayne woza, they know ukuthi they'll buy tickets, and then lo muntu othi awumsupport will be an added feature kuleyo event leyo. uthanda ungathanda uzoya because of uyelo Lil Wayne. Mawufika lapha uzothola mhlambe the opening yenziwa ile artist wena bowuthi awuyisupport, and lo artist leyo hayi ukuthi uyibhatalile, but it will get a share from the money that you paid for Lil Wayne. So the only thing that we can do, the only thing that esingayenza to make sure ukuthi ama-celebrities they have a voice is to support. Mawubona ipage la kaSomizi, subscribe. If uSomizi uzothi bafethu ngicela nifundeni into so fund so that azokwazi ukuba independent. Mawubona ipage lomuntu owaziyo now ukuthi you are following that content, owaziyo ukuthi now ukuthi you love that content, subscribe, make a contribution so that lo muntu loyo azohlala independent. But if you do not do those things, sizohlala sizibuza the same things ukuthi bapha ama-celebrity makuso, but siyakhohlwa ukuzibheka thina ukuthi what have we contributed towards lawo ma-celebrity lawo in order for us to start asking ukuthi bapha ama-celebrity makuso. Nasty C is an independent artist. Touchline is an independent artist. But we don't support. Simele ukuthi uTouchline asayinwe yiSony, makaqeda ukusayinwa yiSony makushube eSouth Africa bese sithi uTouchline uthuleleni. But here he is now saying ukuthi I'm an independent. Support so that ikusasa uTouchline can grab the mic and start speaking ngezinto ezenzakalayo, knowing ukuthi isinkwa sami ngisithole ebantwini base-South Africa, not from a record company. So let's learn to support. Ngike ngasho mina ngathi if you see my videos, if it's not the first time, yabona namanje, if it's not the first time you see a video enguyo, press the subscribe button, support, so that I can remain independent. Ngingagcini ngizithengisela abo Eyewitness News, sengizithengisela abo Daily Sun, sengizithengisela abo Sowetan, just because of abantu bakithi abafuni ukusupport. By the time sithula bese kuthiwa yeah, the time kwenziwa sobo ukwazi ukukhuluma, but manje awukwazi ukukhuluma. But forgetting ukuthi these people abasho kanjalo, they not subscribers, they don't even give a certain portion of a contribution towards building or growing the channel. They just watch badlule. So let's learn to subscribe, then sizokwazi ukulwela izinto ezi-right. Typical example, this video izofika kuwe. The subscription button will be here, but you will never subscribe. Kusasa makuvela izinto eziso singasakhulumi bese kuthiwa namkhumbula uzibanibani uphi since asayine neni sekathulile. It's because of those people are giving me money, and then bayakwazi ukuthi mfethu siyakunika lezi nalezi awukhulumi ngazo, wakhuluma ngazo siyakuchitha. Let's learn to support, let's learn to subscribe, and let's learn to support independent artists bazokwazi ukulwa a fight that is affecting the public, because of they'll know ukuthi isinkwa sabo basithola kwi-public.